Hey there guys, hope you're ready for the holiday. Coming up 4th of July and hoping you're gonna have a lot of fun. Hope you're gonna have a lot of safe fun, that is. And I just wanted to pop in and share with you 3 key things that you can do to blow up your LinkedIn engagement like a 4th of July firework. I thought the timing was perfect. I was actually someone pointed out to me today, I didn't realize I'm wearing white, so I got my red, white, and blue going on. Comment below, I want to hear what your thoughts are on it. So 3 key things that you can do to help blow up your LinkedIn engagement. Number 1, engage with your existing base. Whether you have 100 people in your network, you have 10 people, or you have 10,000, okay? You have a strong base of people to start working and engaging with. And so as they're sharing content, comment, like, share it, tag them, all the above. Start adding value in with your existing network. So many people are focused on, how do I grow my network? How do I blow up my followers on LinkedIn? And I preach this over and over and over again. I would much rather have a strong base that I'm engaging with rather than a ton of people and have 10,000 followers that aren't even valuable for me or engaged than a select small amount. So engage with the people you are already connected with. That's number 1 way that you can start blowing up your own LinkedIn engagement. Number 2, create. You gotta create content. So content is in video content, audio content, graphics, whatever that is for you. Start creating custom content, not taking other people's stuff and sharing it. Don't share your blog post from your website. Don't share third-party links. LinkedIn's actually gonna ding that as spam and derank your content. Okay, create a video like this, something that's highly customized to you and a solution that's relevant to your audience. So you can actually go see who your LinkedIn connections are. Go in, find out who your first degree connections are. Are they salespeople? Are they marketers? Are they CEOs? Are they presidents? And then craft content that would be interesting and valuable for them. So that's the second step. And number 3, direct message people. Again, you have a base of people you're already connected with. Doesn't matter if it's 10, doesn't matter if it's 10,000. Direct message them, send them value. People use the direct message function as LinkedIn too much as a sales function. And so they're trying to just use it as to initiate a sales relationship, whereas the way I look at it is it's a way to bring more value. So I have a LinkedIn local meetup group that's going on here in Denver next week. So I'm direct messaging all my local Colorado people saying, hey, we're doing this event, would love for you to come out. You send other people valuable resources that they would see that could maybe nurture, educate them on whatever is relevant to you and whatever it is you're trying to accomplish on LinkedIn, whether it's sales, creating channel partnerships. So guys, 3 things you can literally go do tomorrow to start blowing up your LinkedIn engagement like a 4th of July firework. Make sure you're engaging, make sure you're adding value with your existing base that you already have. It's an exponential activity. Make sure you're creating content, custom content coming from you. It's got your personality tied to it, and make sure you're direct messaging and adding value to your existing contacts. So 3 things, guys. Have a safe, fun, awesome holiday. And what videos do you want to see? I want to hear from you. What are you interested in learning about? I'll create more videos. I'll look forward to seeing you guys on the other side. See ya.